Hello, guys. Good morning and welcome to a brand new weekly update, season 2, episode 53. So, how are you guys doing? I've missed you. How are you guys doing? You've missed my face, right? I miss you too. I've been very, very busy, not only at the shop, doing some other activities. So, there was a time we didn't even work at the shop. But by the way, some activities has been going since a few weeks. So, I'll be showing you some I film when I went to the market to do some stuff. I'll be showing you guys. So, but by the way, I will proceed now. There are some things we need to do at the shop right now, so I will let you guys get the update and see what is going on. And by the way, the last time I vlog, I say by the time I will be vlogging next time, you will see some certificates on the wall. As you can see, that is our CAC certificate. This is our Small and Medium Enterprises Development of Nigeria, and there is another one from Bella Africa, right? On I think business something like that. I can't really see it from here. So by the way, let me turn the camera right now and I will show you what we have been up to a little bit so far, because there are some things we have done and delivered to the client and we didn't get. I will not get to show them in this video, but some are still here that will be sending to the client. Some work you see back then, we have not sent some to the client, because then the clients, some of them are out of the country, so they just came back and asked us to send them. So I'm packing a few of those things right now, and I'm also going to see some people to show them some samples and start a work from there with them. Hopefully, finger crossed, if they like the work and they give us the work, we'll start some work in days to come. So thank you guys for watching. If you are new to the channel, consider subscribing. When you subscribe, turn on the post notification bell so that you get notified when we upload interesting video on the channel, like tutorial and some video we just start learn with me, and a lot of series of video we'll be doing on the channel. So leave in the comment section down below what you think, if you're happy to see me. And I'm happy to see you all and happy to answer your question in the comment section down below. Thank you guys, and let's proceed to the weekly updates. And I will show, okay, I think right now I will show some video when I was in the market to buy some frame and some stuff. So before I proceed with the one I'll be doing at the shop, actually there are some work here, so you first see that clips before you see the rest of the clips now. So thank you for watching, and see you at the other side. I will still come for Mukuna, I not just add money, because I will come for the remaining. Huh? Make you no turn anything. See una make you no change anything. No be una. They no go add money for, if they add money for there, una get for here, una go add money for stock. Una no dey consider we where we dey buy from. Which Naija? So I just came to buy some frame. Where's the, help me to pass that frame. You just pause your game. No, this one inside the nylon now. Yes. Three. She don't see her. Okay. I know say you to go confirm now, because of the bank where I use it. They fear say online banking. Make it not be say no, but you see me when I do one for you now. I see. So a quick update on what I said. This is the CAC, as you can see. This is the light bag collection, and this is for small and medium enterprises light bag collection for Bella Africa light bag collection. And there are still few here, but they are carrying my name. I decided not to put them up yet, but I will be putting them up I think very, very soon. So still the way it used to be. Well, we are doing some stuff now. Okay, some people requested for some of our work, so I'm trying to check that place and bring it out. That's why we have that here. I'll be returning it back very, very soon. So here is this one we are working on. The video should be coming out probably after this video come out. So a student of my I asked her to lose this and use it to measure some bags she will be making. So she'll be making new bag, which is there, that particular color there. But this will be refurbing this as well. Or did I say we refurbish? We'll be using it to make another smaller bag. As you can see, it's just like reuse or recycle. Yeah, recycle, because some of it has already damaged from a used bag we make about 5 years ago. As you can see, some of the material has damaged, but few that are still okay, we'll use it to do another thing. So that's why we just have it on the decks like this. So new updates, we have our uh, thread collection on the wall. So there are some work we abandoned since then, we didn't finish since nobody asked for them, just leave them here. So by the way, here are how everything is looking, because I said earlier that I'm trying to fix up some stuff to go show some clients. I hopefully they like it. So before we start making some production, that's why we have some here, because I just cleaned them up. Like that one I hang there, I just decided to clean it up, and few of them that are here. So I'm just using the same opportunity to pack up the one I'll be sending to some clients that owns most of this bag, and some sample I will be taking out to show my new client as well. So that's the update or activity so far at the shop. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next clips I'll be producing. And bye. Probably I'm going to the town now. If I'm able to film there when I get to the town, I'll show you some little clips. I will do that, so it will be included in this video. So good morning guys, and welcome to the continuation of the week update. The last time I vlogged, I said I'm going to town to meet with some clients and send some products. So actually I meet with the clients and we've talked. So probably there are some work we'll start very soon. When we start that, you see it in the weekly updates we'll be doing. And by the way, the bag we were making last week that I see one of my students is making, she has finished making it. So the video I made for the bag, I said I will ask her, because this is the first time she's making a backpack. She has been making other bag, but this is the first time she's making a backpack. You see how it look compared to the one I make myself a few years ago, a lot of them. So this is the one I picked for myself that I'm using. So she's not here now. She's not here now because I think she'll be coming late today, maybe a little bit worse. Once she's here, I will interview her. Probably I might not show her face, but I will ask her question about concerning the bag. How difficult is it to make it, and how she has find the training so far, because on this particular bag I didn't show her anything. I just give her a sample of the bag, and the one we disassemble, which is that particular one inside, the one we disassemble. So she used that as pattern to make the bag, and she was able to make that particular I'm showing you here and finish up with it. So that's just the update so far, but next week there are some work we'll be starting so far, by the way. So I'll be showing you those next week updates. So this week update, I think this is where it will be. Okay, no, it will not be end. It will not end here. So I'm going to interview her once she comes, and you watch that clip. Once you watch that clip, and we'll be ending the video here. So thank you guys for watching. If you are new to the channel, let me remind you again, subscribe to the channel. When you subscribe, turn on the post notification bell if you haven't. Leave in the comment section down below what you think on this weekly update. We continue from the episode 53 this season 2. What you think on it, let's know. Leave in the comment section, as I said, and give this video a giant thumbs up, and I will see you once she's here for this small interview. I'm in the I'm not hearing what you are saying. I'm making a video here.
I'm going to text that video.
Yes, now. Or you want me to show your face?
Okay, wait, let me plan what I'm doing.
Don't plan anything, just how difficult it is when you are making it at the first for the first time. Have you ever make it this type before? In short, have you ever made backpack before?
I've not made that. This is my first backpack, and it was difficult. Let me not lie. It took me about
Hmm?
Omo.
You were relaxing, Abby. It's not as if maybe you put your mind to make it in a day. How will something like this take you 5 days to make? Something you can just even make three in a day with cutting and everything. But you try, Sha. Since it's a this thing, another bag pattern you use, but you are going to make another one probably very very soon with just
Better.
measurements. No, even this one you try compared to people that make their first bag. But technically, is this the first bag? No. Hmm?
The first bag I've ever yes.
Backpack.
Backpack, yes, exactly.
Oh, you try and you try. You try, oh, small.